Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jennifer, and I'm super excited you're here today.
And I'm Duncan. Thanks for joining us. Whether you're learning English or just want to practice listening to natural conversation, you're in the right place.
Exactly. Today we're just going to have a real casual conversation, like two friends catching up. No scripts, no fancy stuff, just us being ourselves.
Well, there's a bit of a script, Jen. We're literally reading this right now.
Okay, you got me there. But you know what I mean. We're keeping it natural and fun.
So, Jennifer, how's your week been? You seem more energetic than usual, and that's saying something.
Oh my gosh, Duncan, I'm so glad you asked. I finally tried that new coffee shop downtown. You know, the one with the weird name, Beans There, Done That?
That's such a terrible pun. I love it. Was it any good?
It was amazing. The barista made this latte with a little leaf design on top. I felt so fancy. Though, honestly, I have no idea how they do that. It's like magic.
It's called latte art. They pour the milk in a specific way. I watched a YouTube video about it once at 2 a.m. when I couldn't sleep.
Only you would watch coffee making tutorials in the middle of the night. What's next? Learning how to fold napkins into swans?
Hey, don't knock it till you try it. I actually learned some cool stuff. Did you know the temperature of the milk matters a lot? If it's too hot, you can't make the designs.
See, this is why people love you, Duncan. You have the most random knowledge. But seriously, what have you been up to this week?
Well, I've been struggling with something, actually. I started learning to play the guitar.
What? That's awesome. Why do you sound so disappointed?
Because my fingers hurt like crazy. Nobody warned me about that part. I thought I'd be playing beautiful songs by now, but instead I can barely press down the strings.
Oh, Duncan. Yeah, that's totally normal at the beginning. My brother went through the same thing. He said it takes a few weeks for your fingertips to build up calluses.
Calluses? Great. So I'm going to have rough fingers. Very attractive.
Think of them as battle scars. Plus, once you can actually play, you'll be able to serenade people. That's pretty attractive.
Right, because nothing says romance like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star played out of tune.
Hey, everyone starts somewhere. I believe in you.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. So, speaking of hobbies, are you still doing that painting thing?
Yes, actually, I just finished a piece I'm really proud of. It's a sunset over the ocean. I used these gorgeous orange and purple colors.
That sounds beautiful. Can I see it?
Of course, I posted it on Instagram. Fair warning, though, I might have spent more time choosing the filter than actually painting it.
Classic. But seriously, I admire that you stick with creative hobbies. I always start things and then give up when they get hard.
Don't be so hard on yourself. The guitar is hard. You just need to push through the difficult beginning part. What made you want to learn anyway?
Honestly, I went to a concert last month, and watching the guitarist play just looked so cool. I thought, I want to be able to do that.
That's a great reason. What kind of music do you want to play?
Probably rock or indie stuff, maybe some classic songs too. I'd love to be able to play Wonderwall someday, even though everyone says it's cliché.
Oh no, you're going to be that guy at parties. I'm just kidding. Wonderwall is a classic for a reason.
Hey, people still love that song, and besides, it's supposedly good for beginners.
I'm sure you'll get there. You just need patience, which, if I remember correctly, isn't exactly your strong suit.
Excuse me, I can be very patient. I waited a whole 30 seconds for my pizza to cool down yesterday.
30 seconds. Wow, Duncan, you're a saint.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be signing autographs later.
Actually, yeah. Some friends invited me to go hiking on Saturday.
Okay, in my defense, it was raining. But yeah, I know, it's not really my thing. I'm a bit nervous about it, to be honest.
Why nervous? Hiking is fun. Fresh air, nature, good exercise.
What if I can't keep up? What if I get tired and slow everyone down? Plus, I don't even have proper hiking boots.
First of all, good sneakers are fine for an easy trail.
Second, I'm sure they're not expecting you to climb Mount Everest. Just ask them which trail they're planning to do.
You're right. I'm probably overthinking it. What about you? Any weekend plans?
I'm going to a book club meeting on Sunday. We're discussing this mystery novel I just finished.
Ooh, a book club. That sounds sophisticated. Was the book good?
It was so good, I literally couldn't put it down. I stayed up until 2 a.m. to finish it because I had to know who the killer was.
Now I want to know. Who was it?
Nice try, no spoilers. You'll have to read it yourself. Although I will say this, the twist at the end completely shocked me. I did not see it coming.
All right, you've convinced me. What's it called? Maybe I'll actually give it a shot.
Really? It's called The Silent Patient. But seriously, don't Google the ending. People love to post spoilers online.
Thanks for the warning. I'll try to resist the temptation.
Hey, random question. Have you been cooking at all lately? Or are you still surviving on takeout?
I cook, sometimes. I made pasta last week.
I mean, I added garlic and some cheese. That counts as cooking, right?
Oh, Duncan, you're hopeless. You need to learn some proper recipes.
All right, Chef Jennifer, what would you suggest I make?
Something simple but impressive. How about chicken stir-fry? It's hard to mess up, and it looks fancy.
I don't know. That sounds complicated. Don't you need a wok and special ingredients?
Not at all. You just need chicken, vegetables, soy sauce, and a regular pan. You chop everything up, throw it in the pan, and cook it on high heat. Super easy.
When you put it that way, it doesn't sound so bad. What vegetables should I use?
Bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, whatever you like. That's the beauty of stir-fry. You can customize it.
Can I add gummy bears? Those are my favorite vegetable.
Gummy bears are not vegetables, and that sounds disgusting.
Just checking if you were paying attention.
You're ridiculous. But seriously, promise me you'll try making something besides pasta this week.
Okay, I promise. I'll attempt the stir fry, but if I burn down my kitchen, I'm blaming you.
You won't. Just don't leave it unattended and you'll be fine. Speaking of things I'm bad at, can I ask you about something tech-related?
Uh-oh, what happened now? Did you forget your password again?
No. Well, yes, but that's not what I wanted to ask about. I'm trying to figure out this new app everyone's using. What's the deal with TikTok?
Wait, you're not on TikTok yet? Duncan, where have you been?
I've been busy, living my life, not staring at my phone 24/7.
Says the guy who spends 3 hours a day watching YouTube videos about random topics.
Okay, fair point. But seriously, explain it to me. Isn't it just videos of people dancing?
It started that way, but now it's everything. Cooking videos, comedy sketches, educational content, cute animals, you name it, it's on there.
Confused. So it's like YouTube?
Kind of, but the videos are shorter, and the algorithm is really good at showing you stuff you'll like. It's actually kind of scary how well it knows what you want to watch.
That does sound scary. Is it reading my mind?
Not exactly. It tracks what you watch, what you like, and how long you watch each video. Then it shows you more of what you seem to enjoy.
I don't know if I like the idea of an app knowing me that well. What if it shows me embarrassing stuff?
It only shows you what you engage with. If you don't want to see something, just scroll past it quickly.
Considering. Maybe I'll give it a try. What kind of stuff do you watch on there?
Oh, all sorts of things. Cooking hacks, painting tutorials, funny pet videos. I also love the account that does historical facts. It's really interesting.
Historical facts? That actually sounds cool. See, I always thought it was just silly dances and lip syncing.
Those exist too, but there's so much variety. You can customize your feed to show exactly what you want.
Warming up. All right, you've convinced me. I'll download it tonight. But if I get addicted and stop being productive, I'm blaming you.
Deal. Just remember everything in moderation, okay?
You know what I've been thinking about a lot lately? Travel. I really want to take a big trip somewhere.
Oh, me too. Where would you want to go?
I've always wanted to visit Japan. The culture, the food, the temples, Everything about it fascinates me.
Japan would be amazing. I've heard Tokyo is incredible, but also super overwhelming.
Yeah, I'd probably start in Tokyo for a few days, then visit some smaller cities. Maybe Kyoto? I've seen pictures of the bamboo forests there, and they look magical.
Interesting. What about the language barrier? That doesn't worry you?
A little bit, but I've heard that many signs are in English and people are generally helpful. Plus, I could learn some basic phrases before going. How hard can hello and thank you be?
Famous last words. You'll end up accidentally ordering fish eyeballs instead of sushi.
That's a risk I'm willing to take. What about you? Where's your dream destination?
I think I'd love to go to New Zealand. The landscapes there are just stunning. Mountains, beaches, forests, everything.
Oh, New Zealand. Didn't they film Lord of the Rings there?
Exactly. I definitely do some of those movie location tours. How cool would it be to visit the actual Hobbiton?
That would be incredible. Are you a big Lord of the Rings fan?
Huge fan. I've watched the trilogy at least 5 times. The extended editions, of course.
Of course, nothing but the best. Those movies are long, though. Aren't the extended editions like 4 hours each?
Something like that, yeah. But they're worth every minute. The storytelling, the music, the cinematography. They're masterpieces.
I love how passionate you get about things you care about. It's really sweet.
Thanks. I tend to get a bit carried away sometimes. My friends make fun of me for it.
That's what makes you interesting. Everyone should have something they're passionate about.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask, you mentioned you started going to the gym, right? How's that going?
It's going pretty well, actually. I was so intimidated at first, but now I actually enjoy it.
What changed? What made it less scary?
I realized that everyone there is focused on their own workout. Nobody's judging you or watching what you're doing. Once I understood that, I relaxed a lot.
That's good to know. I've thought about joining a gym, but I always feel like I'd have no idea what to do.
Most gyms offer a free orientation session. A trainer shows you around and explains how to use the equipment. It's really helpful for beginners.
That doesn't sound so bad. What kind of exercises do you do?
I usually start with some cardio, either the treadmill or the elliptical. Then I do some weight training. Nothing too intense, just enough to build some strength.
Impressed. Weight training. Look at you getting strong. Can you beat me in an arm wrestling match now?
Probably. Want to test it?
I think I'll pass. I'd like to keep my pride intact, thank you very much.
Smart choice. But seriously, you should come to the gym with me sometime. We could work out together.
I don't know. I'm not very athletic. I'd probably embarrass myself.
Duncan, I literally fell off the treadmill my first week. You can't embarrass yourself more than I did.
Wait, what? You fell off? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I wasn't going very fast and I just kind of stumbled off. It was mortifying, but I survived. The guy next to me asked if I was okay, and we both just laughed about it.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better. If you can recover from that, I can handle looking silly for a bit.
Exactly. Everyone starts somewhere. And trust me, regular exercise makes you feel so much better. More energy, better mood, better sleep.
Better sleep? I could definitely use that. I've been having trouble falling asleep lately.
Really? What's keeping you up?
My brain just won't shut off. I lie there thinking about random stuff, things I need to do, conversations I had that day, whether or not hot dogs are sandwiches.
Whether hot dogs are sandwiches, Duncan? That's the kind of question that keeps you awake?
It's a legitimate debate. Some people say anything between bread is a sandwich, but others argue that hot dogs are their own category.
You're hilarious. But seriously, exercise might help with that. When I work out, I'm tired enough at night that I fall asleep much easier.
You're probably right. Okay, I'll seriously consider the gym thing. Maybe we can go together next week?
Yes, I'd love that. We'll take it easy, I promise. No falling off treadmills required.
On a completely different note, have you seen any good movies lately?
Oh, yes! I watched this sci-fi thriller last weekend that was mind-blowing. I can't stop thinking about it.
Ooh, I love a good sci-fi movie. What was it about?
Okay, so without spoiling anything, it's about this woman who discovers she can communicate with parallel versions of herself in other universes.
Whoa, that sounds trippy. Was it confusing?
A little bit at first, but once you understand the concept, it's amazing. The special effects were incredible too.
Is it streaming anywhere, or do I have to rent it?
I think it's on Netflix right now. You should definitely watch it. We can discuss it afterward.
Deal. I need something new to watch anyway. I've been rewatching the same sitcoms over and over.
Let me guess, The Office?
How did you know?
Because everyone rewatches The Office. It's like comfort food for your brain.
Hey, it's a classic, and it's perfect for when you want something light and funny. I don't always want to think deeply about what I'm watching.
That's fair. I have my comfort shows too. I've probably seen Friends a million times.
Friends is great. What's your favorite episode?
Oh, gosh, that's hard. Maybe the one where they play football on Thanksgiving. The whole Geller Cup thing cracks me up every time.
I'm the Geller Cup. That's a good one. Mine is probably the one with the pivot scene.
Pivot, pivot, pivot.
Ross's face during that scene is priceless. Poor guy.
See, this is why comfort shows are great. Even just talking about them makes you happy.
Absolutely. Oh, I should probably branch out and watch new stuff too. What else have you watched recently?
There's this documentary series about nature that's really good. Beautiful cinematography and narration. Very relaxing to watch before bed.
Oh, I like nature documentaries. What's it about specifically?
Each episode focuses on a different ecosystem. Oceans, forests, deserts, that kind of thing. They show how animals adapt and survive in these environments. It's educational, but also just visually stunning.
That sounds perfect. I'll add it to my list. My watch list is getting pretty long, though. I need more hours in the day.
Tell me about it. I have like 50 things saved that I want to watch. I'll probably never get through them all.
We should just quit our jobs and watch TV all day. Problem solved.
If only. Unfortunately, I like being able to afford food and rent.
Yeah, those are pretty important. Dreams crushed.
Wow, we've been talking for a while. Time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. We covered a lot of ground today. Hobbies, food, travel, movies.
I love our conversations. We could talk about anything and everything.
Same here. You're easy to talk to, Chen. That's a rare quality.
Aw, thanks, Duncan. You're pretty great yourself. So, before we wrap up, any final thoughts or advice for our viewers?
I'd say don't be afraid to try new things, even if they're outside your comfort zone. Like me and the guitar, or the hiking this weekend.
That's good advice. I'd also say it's important to have hobbies and interests outside of work. They make life more interesting and give you things to look forward to.
Definitely. And stay curious. Learn new things. Ask questions. Explore different topics.
Yes, and most importantly, spend time with people who make you laugh and feel good. Life's too short for anything else.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
If you enjoyed this conversation and found it helpful for your English practice, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We create content like this regularly to help you improve your English in a fun, natural way.
Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.
If you have topics you'd like us to discuss in future videos, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.
You can also let us know what parts of this conversation were most useful for you. Your feedback helps us create better content.
And if you're an English learner, remember, the best way to improve is to practice regularly and expose yourself to natural conversations like this one.
We really appreciate you being here and supporting the channel. It means the world to us.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep being awesome.
Bye.
Bye.